Let's do a shot together. As you can see, I am pretty tired. It is like 5 a.m. and I really need to have a productive day tomorrow. I've been very productive, which is why it's 5 a.m. because have you jumped onto Clarity Light Skincare? Well, it feels like the rest of the world has, and I need to restock. Let's put it this way, everything is sterilized, drying on the racks and ready for tomorrow. But as you can see, I'm being very authentic right now and just putting it out there. I'm looking a bit rough, let's face it. And I know that tomorrow I want to have a good day. I want to have a clear mind and I want to be able to get on with the day. Now, in this day and age, I'm trying to think what year in 2024, I think we've all woken up to the fact that if we want a clear mind, we need to have a clear gut. And it's all about our microbiome, and it is about our second brain that's in our gut. Okay, so I'm going to put this just at this level, and you can hopefully see what I'm doing. I've lined everything up. So let's move this over here, and I'll bring it through as I go, step by step for everyone, because it is so important to keep this up. I can't tell you how much I've improved my microbiome. Simple, clean your system out. It really helps give you energy. And what I do personally is I do this before I go to bed, and then in the morning I do my fulvic. That's how much oil I've put in. It's quite a generous amount. I reckon it's about 2 teaspoons, probably way too much. I'm going to put my chunky Atlantic sea salt in, literally, you saw that. Now, excuse me if I can't speak straight because I'm delirious, but I thought I would do this with you all because I want everyone to keep up with this. And I'm really proud of you all. Fulvic minerals selling like hotcakes. I'm really proud of you. Now, cayenne pepper. Look, I've got really brave now. I've got to tell you, when I first started this, I could not take much of this at all. But you build up, your palate changes, right? When we were children, there's certainly things that I eat now that I never thought I would eat as an adult. So I think it is so important. That was cinnamon I just chipped in. Now why? Cayenne pepper, good for your blood, good for your lymphatics, get everything moving. Why am I putting cinnamon in? Because who can keep up with the weather changing and whatever, and there's damp in the air? Cinnamon is naturally antibacterial and it actually absorbs damp out of the lungs. I'm going to throw some turmeric in. Turmeric is just good for everything, especially with the inflammation thing. And ginger, because again, great for your immunity, right? Spice up your life. Now, you know, it's humid, it's hot here in Australia, Melbourne. It's raining, it is really heavily raining. But I'm still determined to get out there in the elements tomorrow and go for a walk. What have I got left to do? A lemon. Now these, look at that. When I get given lemons, oh my God. When I get given lemons, and I've even been saving the seeds. And I've started to sprout little trees. I've got 5 little lemon trees growing right now. Where's that half lemon? I'm going to pour that in. Do you like the way I just digress there? Right, pour that in. I'm just going to show you how to chop. You can see that. No, you can't see that. Where is it? There. I should turn the camera around. I don't think you can once you start recording, can you? I've got the 5 o'clock in the morning blues. I got the 5 o'clock in the morning. If only God had blessed me with a voice. Now I definitely got to get gouache in. How are we all going with the gouache in? Because look at my forehead. What's going on with that? I've always prided myself on not having wrinkles there. I will not go into 51, which will be coming up before we know it. Oh, are we ready? Do you know what I'd love? I'd love for you guys to be watching this video and doing the shot with me. Cheers. Here's to a healthy 2024, no matter what's thrown at us. Because I reckon more mental, chicken oriental, we don't care because we're staying healthy. And as long as we keep our microbiome strong and our gut health strong, that second brain strong, we're strong up here. Yeah, no, let's get it down. Ready? Cheers. Look at that. Not a flinch. Now, I have got a video back on here. Or is it on TikTok? I think it might be on TikTok. And honestly, I'm so dramatic. Like, full on. Like it's the end of the world. I just found it disgusting. So like anything, we get used to it, you know. And you're all going to think, Lula, go to bed, Lula. I'm going to get in that shower and I'm going to have the best sleep because I feel like my dreams are coming true. Because looking after yourself, we are, especially as women, and I think men as well, that, you know, connecting with the divine feminine, with Gaia, and when we are good to ourselves, especially when I would never use a product that's so clinical. I think we are made to smell, to feel, right? And that is half the journey. And I will just say that when you're treating skin and the body, and it's all to do with inflammation, and pretty much Clarity and Light since day one has been about inflammation. I've just never really articulated it, but I'm slowly getting there, slowly. Which is why it's like I work on lymphatics and opening up the channels when you're doing your cleansing. Okay, stop talking, Lula. Good night, everyone. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for believing in what we're doing here, because it really has just given me like second wind with Clarity and Light. Yeah, thank you. I love you guys. I'm going to bed. No, I'm going to shower.